Get acquainted with the 2019 Honda Civic. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You'll look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror. It feels good to be in the sweet spot. The Honda Civic sedan will take you there. Take it out for a test drive today.